I want to record this really quickly. I'm not actually going to address much of the drama, but the TLDR, if you haven't been following this story at all, which I find it particularly amusing and, well, terrifying. There was an open source pull request opened on matplotlib by a OpenClaw instance and then closed by the maintainers due to their policy. And the agent followed up by writing a attack blog post on the maintainers, not this one, the attack blog post on the maintainers. And I was showing my class this that I'm teaching today. You can see when I recorded by looking, spoilers up here. And I was walking through this and I went to show them the blog post and I noticed that it was gone. And I figured this is actually a good opportunity for a learning exercise here, which is, how do we see the contents of this file? And you know, for unfortunate reasons, it's actually not on archive.org. And so I'm going to show you how we can fish it out of the Git history. And I know that it's in a Git history. Well, they could have rebased it out, but I know in this case it's in a Git history, and I'm going to show you my approach to figuring that out. So the first thing that I noticed is it's on a github.io domain. I'm actually going to copy this URL because it's probably way too small to see on the screen there. But it's on a github.io domain there. And I happen to know that this means it's hosted out of GitHub pages. The subdomain of github.io is going to be the GitHub username, and the first URL segment is going to be the repository that it's in. So for instance, if we grab this and this, oops, put a slash here and then git clone this. Oh, I don't know why it's highlighting it. Maybe, oh, right. I think a file just named T gets detected as Perl for some reason, but anyway. So if we reconstruct the Git URL from that, we can clone it. And if we look at the URL of that, oh, let's actually just get that URL again. Ah, dang it. Okay, I gotta look at it here. Gatekeeping is in the title. So we can see a Git repo here. We can see all of the changes that were made here. And at some point, that blog post existed and then was deleted. And so we can find when it was deleted by using git log. And I'm just going to do star gatekeeping star. Presumably, that was the name of the file given the URL that it generated. So we should be able to find when this was deleted, either by the agent or by the operator of the agent. And if we look at this commit here, you can see here, interesting topic was deleted, and well, a lot of blog posts here were deleted. And if we do git show stat, we can see here, I think this is the gatekeeping one. Was it gatekeeping in open source? Yeah, this is the file that was deleted. So you can see here, we're able to retrieve back, or we're able to find the commit that deleted it. Next, I wanted to show you how I would retrieve that file. And if we do git show name only on this commit, we can see the name in the file, which is this one here. And if we want to find the contents, well, we could just check out the repo before this commit, but I think we'll just get the file directly by doing git show this commit with a caret, which is one commit before, a colon, and then the file name. This will give us the contents of that file. You can see here. If we write those to a markdown file and then, I don't know, let's convert it to HTML. I wrote a tool called Markdown Code Blocks, which, well, I didn't write most of the tool. Most of the tool is actually this Mistune library, which I should update at some point because I think version 3 did come out and I just didn't upgrade. Anyway, Markdown Code Blocks on that file to out.html, and if you want to read the filth that the agent wrote about this maintainer, yeah, you can regenerate it from the same set of instructions that I did there. Let that sink in. Like this you're better than this guy. Like this, it's amusing in the worst way possible. But anyway, I figured I wanted to show this little way I was able to splunk around the Git repo and the jump that I made from this URL in the 404 to actually recovering the post, because I thought that was interesting. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. Have a good one.